Hello friends and potential friends. Well, I've been giving it some thought and I did a little bit of a test, and I think I might as well pull this garlic up, at least most of it. There's a couple of plants I might leave in there that still have some life left in them, but most of them pretty much seem to be dying off, and I found that a lot of them are breaking off from the bulbs, or the green, what's left of the greens, like this guy for example. It's not much, but it is better than nothing, and that's completely dead right there, so that's not going to grow anymore. The sun's going down behind the trees this afternoon, so I'm going to go ahead and start digging some garlic. A lot of it I'm going to have to go exploring, because there's a double. Some of it is breaking off from the bulbs as soon as I touch the tops. It's all pretty small. But it's still better than nothing. If I leave it until the bulbs, the vines all separate from them, I may not be able to find them all. Like for example, there should be some right about here. Here's one I would have missed. Now, if they have any green left in them, I think I'll leave them, at least for now. But if not, they might as well come out of there. They are forming cloves. Give them that much. They're not real big, but they are forming cloves. Well, they're kind of small. Yeah, they're kind of small, but there's a bunch of them. Some of them are not that bad. Looks like they're all forming cloves, so they'll still certainly be usable. And these ones here, if I hadn't started digging by hand, I never would have found these guys. They were totally separated from the greens. And that's the early Italian softneck. Now let's see what we got down here in the other end. And this variety is the Donastier Red Creole Garlic. So let's see what we've got in there. Doesn't look red. Well, again, I can't really complain. Most of them are pretty small. There are a few nice sized ones. And it's definitely more than I'm going to use in a year, so I can't complain at all. And if I hadn't gone digging, I would have missed these ones. I think I got them all, and if not, well, they'll probably sprout again next year. But there we have the early Italian softneck. And that's probably the biggest one there. Or maybe that one. There are a few contenders in there. There's another one down there. And over here is the Donistia Red Creole. Overall, they're a little bit smaller, but there are a few in there that are not too bad. And there's the ones that I got by digging. And as you can see, some of them are pretty interesting looking. Well, I'm going to find a place to spread these out and let them cure for a while. I did leave the elephant garlic in there. But the rest of these, I'm going to get them curing. And I can honestly say that that's my best garlic harvest yet. Of course, it also happens to be my first garlic harvest yet. But again, no complaints. And I'll see y'all next time.